Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name's Erica. Today we're unboxing the April 2023 Sew Sampler Box. If you're new to Sew Sampler Boxes, they are monthly sewing and quilting subscription boxes. They include patterns, notions, and of course fabric. We're going to take a look at the April box today. The theme for this month's box is Life is Better in the Garden. There is a pressed flowers notification on the back because we are starting a brand new sew along. So every year they do 12 months worth of boxes. Each box you get a pattern in, and then at the end they'll show you how to put all those patterns together in a scrappy sampler. So this is the first box in the new series. And the fabric kit for this year's sew along should be available soon if it's not already. And since we're talking about it, let's go ahead and take a look. This is block number 1 in the pressed flowers sew along. It is designed by Fat Quarter Shop and features Sugarberry by Bunny Hill Designs for Moda Fabrics. And it says it will bring some fresh cut flair that you can keep forever. This is what the patterns look like this year. So they are a kind of a cardstocky and they do open up. So this is the first, like I said, in the patterns. They do retail for $4.98. My box does have our little info card. This is going to tell me everything that's in my box, how to use it, and the value for my products. And then because this is a new beginning to a series, they do have a coupon code. And I think they do this for every beginning of a series box, but there are 3 different coupon codes on the back of here. One for free shipping, one for a free Jolly Bar book, and then one for 15% off Fat Quarter bundles. So if you have this in your box, don't throw it away. Take advantage of those coupons. The next thing in our box is these screwdriver set by Boheen, and these retail for $5.74. And you have a medium size and a small size screwdriver in there. These are perfect for working on your sewing machine. So I use the small one to change the foot on my machine, the needle, and I use the large one to change the foot on my machine. Actually, I already have a set of these, so I'll probably be throwing these in a giveaway for one of you guys coming soon. The next thing we have in here are these cord wraps. So these are interesting. They look like rickrack, which is kind of cute. They retail for $5.98. They are a bonus item included in this month's box. And there's 3 of them in here. You can use these to wrap up your foot pedals. If you're going to be traveling with your sewing machine, you can wrap up your sewing machine cords, your iPhone cables, anything like that. And they would definitely be handy if you're going to retreats or sewing at a friend's house. Our next item is this iron cleaner. This value is at $7.98 and it's called Magic Quilting and Crafting Iron Cleaner. I have never tried this, but Fat Quarter Shop says that it's really good for getting off if you get like adhesive, for if you're doing a fusible backing or something like that, it'll get all that gunk off your iron. And it says spring cleaning is upon us and your iron can spring in on the action. The Magic Quilting and Crafting Iron Cleaner by Faultless removes melted webs, fusibles, iron-on interfacings, and more, restoring your iron to press-worthy perfection. Watch how to use it on the Fat Quarter Shop website. So you can definitely go check this out. I actually do have a video here on YouTube on how to clean your iron, which is really handy. I used a magic eraser in mine. It got off pretty much everything, including all those brown gunky stains, but I think it'll be interesting to try this as well. Our next item is this adorable needle minder. This actually matches our fabric this month. It retails for $11.24 and it says the Flamingo's Toes oh my gosh, the Flamingo's Toes Pickers Patch Enamel Needle Minder. That's a lot, is pretty as a picture. This adorable piece by Bev McAuliffe coordinates with the quilt pattern included in this month's box, and it's just right for keeping your needles and pins together as you stitch or bind. And look how cute that is. And then it's got a little magnetic backing. You can use this for cross stitch, quilt binding, etc. Here is the pattern for this month. This pattern is really cute. It's called Pickers Patch Quilt Pattern. Retails for $9.98 by Beverly McAuliffe for Fat Quarter Shop. Features these cute little flowers and just super fun for summer. It says the Pickers Patch quilt goes beyond garden variety. This exclusive design by Beverly McAuliffe blooms with gorgeous flowers and buds and can only be found in this month's Sew Sampler box. Grow this quilt with the 6-piece Sweet Acres Fat Quarter bundle for a quilt that puts the patch into patchwork. They also have limited finishing kits available at Fat Quarter Shop. This quilt finishes at 48 by 57. They've got fabric requirements on the back. And let's just take a look inside. They have some diagrams on how to cut your fat quarters, which is handy. Looks like it's really straightforward piecing, nothing hard. So I would say beginner friendly. It does look like there's a few pieces on here, but nothing that's too difficult, and it's super cute, so I think it's worth a try. And then lastly, we have our fabric for this month's box. This fabric is the Pickers Patch Sweet Acres 6-piece fat quarter bundle. It values at $19.98. Again, this is by Beverly McAuliffe. The Pickers Patch Sweet Acres fat quarter bundle is specifically selected by the designer and provides ample acreage of fabric delight. Pick your way through a variety of florals in vernal blues, pinks, greens, and yellows for some sweet springtime sewing. And I have seen the rest of this line. It's really cute. We'll go ahead and go through the colors really quickly. There are 6 fat quarters in this month's box. This one's really cute, very picnicky, summery. Here's a yellow print, really pretty. This just kind of screams summer picnic vibes. So that's everything that came in the April box. I did add it all up for you. The full value for this month's box is $59.90. That is a pretty good value for your money. I think I'm pretty happy with everything that came in this month's box. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite item was. Mine is going to be the fabric and the little flower needle minder because it's so cute. And then of course that flower pattern. All of those are absolutely adorable. Like I mentioned, I already have the screwdriver set, so I'm going to add those to a giveaway that will be coming soon. And then I'm not sure if I'll use the cord wraps or not. Those are from the Featherweight shop. They're really cute. They look like rickrack, so I have no problem with them. I'm just not sure if I'm going to get a lot of use out of them. We'll see. Let me know if you think you'll use something like that. That's going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to thumbs up and subscribe. You can also hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming fun. Thank you for joining me for today's video, and I will see you next time. Is there a coupon on the bag? I don't think. It retails for $11.28 or 24, sorry. And it is the Flamingo Toes Pickers Patch Enamel Needle Minder. And it's this adorable little flower. Oh, good, we're out of focus.